Here I have VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So to do this, firstly I will show you that like now I have the default volume style panel, but you can actually change it, and to do this all you need to do is to just download this volume styles app on the Play Store. Then you have to tap start here, grant accessibility services permissions, and now you can pick different volume styles. Like you have the like this MUI, Realme UI, Windows 10, a lot of different volume styles. You'll also have the iOS one. So as you can see right now I have like the iOS volume style panel. Wow. You can also pick other different styles. You can create your own styles. You can customize these styles like this iOS one. A lot of different features. My personal favorite volume style is this emoji one. Beautiful, just beautiful volume style. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.